Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to this update. And today guys, I want to share with you a free Bitcoin earning application where you can earn free Bitcoins just by playing a game. And this is a free application on the Play Store and Apple Store. You can earn free Bitcoins just by playing the fun game. Okay, so it's a free application which you can download to your phone and start earning free little Bitcoins every single day. So if you check out the review on the Play Store about this app, you're gonna see that they have a good reviews. And right here, you're gonna see a lot of people are rating this app on Play Store and saying a lot of good things about them. So this app is really nice and you need to try it out, guys. This app is currently paying and free to use, guys. So I won't like you to miss out on this update. This app is called Bitcoin Mega Match. Okay, so here you're gonna need to match cryptos and earn free coins for yourself. Right here, they have over 5,000 downloads and they have over 286 reviews on Play Store, and that's so amazing. Right here now, all you need to do is to download this app and start playing the games to earn free Bitcoins for yourself without making any deposit or investment. Mind you that this video is for educational purpose only and not a financial advice. And mind you that we don't promote or endorse any platform or applications. All we do here is to share a free update for you to jump into and earn free crypto for yourself without making any deposit or investment. So now, after you install this app, all you need to do is to tap on the open or play button over here. And if you tap on that, it's going to take you to the application. Okay, so you're going to wait for the app to load up patiently. So now, for you to start playing this free game to earn free cryptos, you're gonna need to merge two similar cryptocurrencies together to earn a point. Okay, and this point is gonna be converted to any crypto of your choice. So now, what I actually mean is this: you're gonna need to tap and hold on your screen, and here we have this Dogecoin. Just tap and hold, then leave the screen for the crypto to fall. Okay, so here the crypto on the screen now is XRP. Actually, we don't actually have XRP on the box, so you're gonna need to drop that down. Here we have Dogecoin, so these two Dogecoins can go. So let's merge this together, and now if you merge it together, it's going to form another coin called Cardino. Okay, so now we don't have Cardino on the box, so let's drop this link, and this is the link token. So match the two link token together, and it's giving us another XRP. So now we have these two Cardino tokens. Just drop them together, and now you're gonna drop down the next coin, and now you're gonna need to drop down the link token to match the link token in the box. And here you can see we formed two XRP, which is closer together. So let's drop this Dogecoin here, and boom, you see it has turned the two XRP coins to BNB coin. Okay, so this is how to play the game. Just do that continually until you finish up the game. So if you look on the screen right, you're gonna see we are progressing. Good. So now let's jam these two together, and boom, we got it again. So this is how to play the game. As you play the games, you are going to be earning your points, and these points gonna be adding up to your balance. After playing the game, you're gonna go ahead and tap on this place, and if you tap on this place, it's gonna ask you to log in to be able to withdraw your coins. Okay, so you're gonna need to log in to withdraw your coins. So right here, we are not going to log in into your wallet for now. I'm just trying to show you guys how to use the app. Okay, so now mind you that they have some things on the screen that can actually help you to easily earn more on the game. Okay, so here they have the shake box button. They have the change crypto of your choice. They have the remove coin you don't want on the box, and they have this one which is swapping of coin. You can see that on the screen. So these are the tabs that can actually help you on this game to earn more faster. Okay, so this is how the game works. So it's very, very easy to use. So you can start playing this game. Just download it from Play Store or Apple Store and start playing to earn free crypto for yourself. Okay, it's very, very easy, guys. It's very, very easy. So I think this is all I can say about this platform. Mind you that this video is for educational purpose only and not a financial advice. We don't promote or endorse any platform or application. All we do here is to show you guys how to earn free cryptocurrency without making any deposit or investment. Okay, so right here, just make sure you make your own research before you start using the app. And also, if you enjoy the app, you can drop your review. Okay, so this is how this app works, and I hope you find the video helpful. See you on the next video, guys, and still be loves you. Goodbye for now.